Hi YouTube, what's up? My name is Eddie and I'm living in the Philippines. I just discovered a new free website for you all Filipino guys and everyone else in the world that where you can make money online without college degree, without experience, without investment. No money, zero investment. This is the easiest way to make money online. All you need is just a computer or a smartphone and little bit of time. But before we get into that, if it's your first time to see my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch my online job playlist. Because in my videos you can see some free websites, free apps that where you can make money online. And every day I'm uploading new content for you guys to see some online jobs. I'm searching all around the world in the internet for online jobs so I can help you. And in the comment section below, let me know what kind of online job are you looking for. I don't want to waste your time, and let's go back to my computer and I will show you this amazing website.
Okay my friend, so first thing to do is go to Google and search for Fiverr. What Fiverr is? It's a website where you can buy services and sell services, and it's awesome. People make thousands and thousands of dollars here. So what you want to do is create an account, and of course it's free. I told you, no investment. After that, you go here to video and animation and go right here to short video ads and just look the money people are making here, like $70, $90, $35, $2,100, $450, $1,190 just by creating short video ads, guys. It's so simple. Like you see in social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, they are everywhere, and companies are willing to pay people to make for them these kind of the short videos. Okay, now maybe you are saying, what are you talking about? I don't know how to make short video ads. If you say that, well, don't worry. Now I will show you something very interesting and very simple to do that anybody can do. Okay, go back to Google and search for FlixPress. And as you can see, you can find here any kind of the short videos, like for intro, gaming, ads, and many more. There are a ton of short videos here. So now click here and look for automated template. Then go to ads here. Now you can use these professional templates, guys, and it's for free. You can download them, edit that part and put the picture for your ads, and that's it. You get the points. You know already what I'm talking about. I will open one for example so you can see how professional it is. They are using a professional actor, and it's really nice, really good. And you can choose short video ads for anything here. There are lots of videos for you here. You can choose and download them. So you better just you visit this website and see by yourself. So there is no reason for you to not making money online. This website is really amazing. And you can also go to other websites like Upwork, and here in the Upwork you can sell your short videos and make money. Why not? People coming to Upwork looking for other people to do things for them, and I'm so sure there are a ton of people coming to Upwork looking for short video ads. So you can use this opportunity and earn some money. Why not? So simple, guys. Just do it. And by the way, I will leave for you all the links for these amazing websites below. I hope you enjoy and I did help you. So one more time, guys, please check my playlist for online jobs, because you can see there so many videos about free websites, free apps, and free online jobs without experience, without investment, zero money, and you can really make money out of them. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, because every day, as what I told you, every day I'm making new content and uploading new video about free online jobs, free websites, free apps, and that's it. Thanks for your time, and as always, never give up.